Pimping ain't easy. Stop playing with me. Yo. Alright, so today we trying Millie's Kitchen. Millie's Kitchen is located at 109 6th Street in Camden, New Jersey. It's between Cooper and Market. Alright. Went in there. It's located within the lounge, 6th Street Lounge. Millie's Kitchen in the back. I've never eaten from here before. I did used to frequent 6th Street Lounge back in the day. I went in there Friday night about 10:30. Really wasn't anybody in there. It was a nice little vibe, you know what I'm saying? Somewhere to go. See if we can get some good food and maybe some cheap drinks. So let's check it out and see if we're getting some good food. All right, let's see what we got going on in this little container. All right, so these is wing dings. They look like plain wing dings. It was eight of them, supposed to be 8, for $12. That's not really a good price, you know what I'm saying? I thought there was going to be full-size chicken wings or something, but 8 for 12, I don't know. Let's try it out. We're going to get to this in a sec. Let's unbox the other thing we got. All right, we unboxing the fish. We got fish, some bread under there, string beans, and just like a little bit of mac and cheese, yo. This mac and cheese ain't looking too promising. But let's give it a shot. Let's see what it's hitting for. Alright, so let's get into it. Now, when I eat my food, I don't like to put a lot of condiments on it. I don't want to put hot sauce on my fish, you know what I'm saying? I want to taste it the way that it was cooked. If it's cooked right, it don't need no condiments. It don't need no extras, whatever. You should be able to eat it as is. So let's try this fish. This is like a real small piece of fish. Maybe whiting. Like, it's real thin. Like, this might even not have no fish in it. It look like skin. Yeah, this is mostly breading. There's very little meat. Let's see what it tastes like. It's okay. It's a little gummy. Now, it says 2 pieces, but they gave me 3 pieces. But they are very small pieces of fish. All right, let's try these string beans. String beans is pretty good. I'm feeling string beans. They're a little mushy. Got a good little seasoning to it. You can definitely taste the seasoning. String beans is good. A little overcooked, but nice taste. All right, let's see this mac and cheese. This mac and cheese look like it's been sitting for a minute. No gooey, no cheese pool. Like, let's see. You know what? The flavor is alright. The feedbacks that I've done so far, this is probably the best mac and cheese. Now, if it was a little bit more fresh, had a little bit more cheese pool, it would probably be on point. But it does have a nice little flavor to it. I give them that. So, everything is good. I don't know if, like, I think that this isn't, like, made to order. I think they got it sitting around. They might heat it up or whatever. But overall, it's good. Especially if you're sitting in a nice little lounge. You're just trying to get some bar food, good meal. Yeah, this is on point. All right, let's try these wings. It's pretty good. It's not amazing, but it does have a good taste to it. I wouldn't say it's fried hard. I think they do have different flavored wings available. I just got the regular wings. Overall, Millie's Kitchen, we're going to give Millie's Kitchen an 8, y'all. We're going to give Millie's Kitchen a solid 8. It's 10:30 at night on a Friday. The food was good. It was ready quick. It may be where they prepare it in advance and, you know, it's not made to order. But as a whole, we'll give Millie's Kitchen an 8.